Hi home designers! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're addressing a question that many of you have asked. How can we view all the floors at the same time in Coohom? Usually, when you add a new floor in Coohom, the previous floor becomes hidden by default, which can make multi-level designing difficult. But there's a simple solution to visualize all floors together on your canvas. Let me walk you through it step by step. Part 1. Adding a new floor. To begin, let's add a second floor to our project. Navigate to the right side panel and click on Add Upper Floor. If you want to add a basement, choose Lower Floor. Next, select the appropriate floor type. Upper for intermediate floors. Top for the final level of your design, like terrace. If you'd like to replicate the layout of your existing floor, simply check the Structure option in the Copy Content option. If not, leave it blank to start with a clean slate. Click Confirm to add the new floor to your project. Keep in mind, after adding a new floor, only that one floor will be visible by default. Part 2. Switching between floors. To navigate between different floors in your project, use the Current Floor Plan drop-down menu located on the right panel. Alternatively, you can switch floors using the tabs found in the bottom left corner of your canvas. In addition, you can control the opacity of each floor using the opacity settings in the right panel. Adjusting the transparency of a floor helps you align elements precisely across multiple levels. Part 3. Viewing all floors at once. Now for the main topic, how to view all floors together on one screen. Follow these simple steps. Go to the bottom left corner of your workspace. Next to each listed floor name, you will see an eye icon. Click on the eye icon for each floor you want to display. All selected floors will now be visible on your canvas, layered and aligned for better coordination and planning. Part 4. Editing floor elements. Here's an important reminder while working with multi-floor layouts. You can only edit the floor that is currently active. If you attempt to modify elements on another floor without activating it, Coohom will not allow those changes. To make edits, first, switch to the correct floor using the Floor tab or drop-down. Make the necessary adjustments. Then return to your previous floor when done. This workflow ensures your design remains organized and error-free. Bonus tip. If you're interested in learning how to design an entire house in Coohom, floor by floor, I've created a detailed video that walks you through the full process. The link is available in the description below. And if you'd be interested in a complete Coohom course, drop a comment and let me know. Your feedback helps shape future content. Promotion. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to manage and view multiple floors simultaneously in Coohom. If you'd like to explore advanced features like high-quality rendering, premium materials, and complete design control, consider upgrading to Coohom Pro. Use my exclusive promo code HOMEDESIGNER to get up to 73% OFF your subscription. Just type PRO in the comments if you want me to DM you the special link, or simply click the link in the video description to activate your discount. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with other designers, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Home Designers.